Hello, friends! Today we're making our very own bullet journal, a mix of a daily planner and a personal diary. It's a flexible system that helps you set tasks, record ideas, and keep track of habits, all in one notebook. For this project, you'll need a notebook, a pen, and any creative extras, colored pens, stickers, or magazine clippings. Start by numbering the pages and creating a key for your symbols. For example, a dot can mean a task, a circle, an event, and a dash, an idea. You can also mark important items with an asterisk. Next, leave space for your index. This will be like a table of contents, where you note your chapters and page numbers. Then, set up a future log for yearly events, a monthly log to see the bigger picture, and daily logs for your to-do lists and notes. Each evening, check your list, mark what's done, and move forward anything unfinished. At the end of the week, review what worked and what didn't. You can also add extra sections for moods, books, TV shows, birthdays, or even a habit tracker. Decorate your pages with drawings, colors, or stickers, or keep them simple. The choice is yours. The most important thing is that your journal inspires you. When you enjoy using it, planning becomes fun and truly effective. For more fun projects and fascinating science, subscribe to OYLA Magazine. Check the description box for more information.